Hey guys, welcome to Devi's Edupod. If you are the first time listener, then please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. But if you are not the first time listener, then please go ahead. In this session of us, we will discuss how to read newspaper effectively for 2021. Newspapers are the important part of the UPSC CSE preparation. Now, in this session, in this podcast, we will discuss which newspaper to read, how to read, what are the important pages of the newspaper and what are not. There are two types of newspaper which is recommended by the toppers, the Hindu or the Indian Express. In this session, we will differentiate both of the newspaper and then reach to a conclusion and which newspaper is better for UPSC CSE preparation. You take the Hindu or the Indian Express. Both newspapers are the best. You can read any one of them, but the Hindu is the most recommended newspaper for UPSC aspirants. However, many are confused about how should they finish the Hindu in minimum time covering the priority areas. Almost every IS aspirants know the importance of reading newspaper for UPSC Civil Services exam preparation. Among the newspaper in the market, the Hindu is the most recommended newspaper primarily for its high standard. Now, why reading the Hindu is very important? The Hindu distinguishes between news and opinion very well. Also, it gives priority to areas of national concern and usually avoids trivial issues or masala items. But reading the Hindu newspaper completely may require at least 4 to 5 hours daily, and with plenty of other books and materials to complete, devoting this much time daily for single newspaper reading is not a good idea. Therefore, now we discuss how to read the Hindu effectively in less than 60 minutes. By the proper practice of effective reading, you can capture everything necessary for UPSC CSE exam from the Hindu in less than 60 minutes. This is by focusing on important areas and just skimming over the non-priority pages. Now, what are the important areas and what are non-priority pages? We will discuss it further. Here, I will discuss you some tips for effective reading and practice these tips. You will get your speed of reading, the comprehension improves and editorial reading very fast. In the first page, you just need to skim through the news headlines. Only read news headlines, don't waste too much time on the front page of reading the full page of reading the internal news. No, only read headlines. Now from pages 2 to 6 of the Hindu, the 2 to 3 page usually carry only regional and state news, which varies from city to city, state to states, while pages 4 to 5 deals with news from respective states. As these are not so important for the UPSC exam point of view, therefore you have to skip these pages. Again, from the page 7, it is a very important page as it deals with the nation. Focus on Supreme Court and High Court verdicts, parliamentary debates, government orders, etc. This is the most important page of UPSC CSE. Now, apart from that, the editorial page is the most important page of the Hindu newspaper from USC exam perspective. Carefully read the two editorials given on the left margin, then move to the lead article. This usually would be an excellent analysis of the current issue. Finish this page by reading the letters to the editor, as this would give different opinions on the same issue, but don't get biased. And try to finish everything up to this page within 30 to 40 minutes. Again, in the perspective page, usually this is the page number 9 of the Hindu newspaper. This is where you see the op-ed. An op-ed is originally short for opposite the editorial page, and it is a written proposed piece typically published by a newspaper or a magazine which expresses the opinion of a named author, usually not affiliated with the publication's editorial board. The Hindu names these articles as comment. Read these to get a different perspective on current issues. Now going further, the page number 10 to 11 deals with news in general. There is no need to go deep into political news or issues, just have a superficial knowledge of what is happening around. Now we will move on to the world page, that is page number 12 of the Hindu. This page would be useful for the international relation, which is a part of UPSC syllabus. Spend some time here if you find any major happening. Now from the business or economy page, that is page number 13 to 14, focus on trends, growth parameters, what is issues here, and read issues connected with fiscal and monetary policy more. If you find socio-economic issues related to women, education or health, read in depth. Now, if we move further, we have sports pages and life pages. Ignore sport pages, but from life pages it deals with science and tech and environment and ecology. So go through these pages but read only headlines. Now, from these topics, what should be focused on? First, good analysis of current issues from the editorial page or op-ed page. Second, Supreme Court and High Court verdicts. Third, issues of national and international importance. Fourth, parliamentary debates. Fifth, government policies and orders. From these, make notes of the hot topics, and from these notes you have to revise it continuously. Now, what should not be the focus to read the newspaper? First, local news. Second, political news. Third, masala items like films, wardrobe malfunction, celebrity interviews, etc. etc. Fourth, trivial facts like sport titles, awards, personalities, etc. etc. Beginners, may keep UPSC main syllabus in front of you while reading the newspaper. This will help you to concentrate on areas of importance. For example, NGOs, self-help group, etc. as they are mentioned in UPSC CSE syllabus. Now, the main question arises is, can an aspirant succeed in IAS UPSC exam without reading the Hindu newspaper? Typically the answer is yes. There are always substitutes of newspapers like other newspapers, magazines, current affair capsule, mobile apps and so on. But I advise 1 hour reading of the Hindu newspaper as a daily exercise for all aspirants, as this has multiple benefits. Most important of the benefits would be the pictorial memory, which would be of immense help in prelims, mains and interview. Also, there would be a lot of improvement in vocabulary and communication skills. Now the conclusion of this whole podcast is, the importance of reading the newspaper has increased tremendously. The crux of these tips is not to waste the time over trivial issues, but focus on areas where it matters. I hope you like the postcard. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos, of our audios and of our podcast. Thank you. Have a nice day.